Morning students. In the last class we saw about the materials, metals and non-metals and their description. Next, today we are going to see about the chemical properties that was acted by the metals and non-metals. See the activity 4.4. What we have to do means take a small amount of powdered sulfur. We are taking the powdered sulfur in a spoon. If the steel spoon is not available, you can take a cap of the syrup and join it with a metallic wire around it. Its shape will be looking like this, how this picture is represented. Likewise, as soon as the sulfur starts burning, you have to introduce the spoon into a gas jar, otherwise with a glass tumbler, then cover it using a lid. After that, what we have to do means add some quantity of water into the tumbler, quickly replace the lid. After adding the water, you shake the tumbler. Check the solution with red and blue litmus paper. When you are treating the solution with the red litmus paper, the color doesn't change. The blue litmus paper changes into the red color. So it has the acidic nature. This sulfur powder burning gives the acidic nature. See students, related to this experiment I have given you some link. You can go into that and check it. It will be very useful for you. See here some of the metals and non-metals in acids and base given. One example is given there in the table, calcium hydroxide. What metal in calcium metal? Calcium hydroxide is a base and acid present is sulfuric acid. Non-metal is sulfur. See, we saw in that experiment that sulfur dioxide when treated with water we get the sulfurous acid. So sulfurous acid turn blue litmus paper into red. Generally oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. Okay, next another one, reaction with water is given. See, when metals and non-metals reacts with water, what happens? Here, superb experiment is given. You have to take a 250 ml beaker or glass tumbler. After that, you have to fill it with the water. After filling it with water, you cut a small piece of sodium metal and put it into the water. What happened means the water fires and burst. This experiment is given in a good way. For this also I have given you one link. You go inside it and check it. Okay students, related to this you will get a worksheet. This worksheet will be sent you as a PDF. Write the answer and send it to 8th Science Snaps group. Timing from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you students.